Planning to buy gold this Dhanteras? Wait, because not all gold is the same. What if I told you that some types of gold can actually cost you more and some might even give you interest? Hello viewers, I'm Kavya Khandelwal and you're watching The Edge. Dhanteras marks the start of Diwali, a day when millions of families across India bring home gold. Not just as metal, but as a symbol of luck, abundance and new beginnings. But with so many options today, from jewelry stores to mobile apps to government bonds, the question is, which kind of gold should you actually buy? In this video, we'll break down the 5 smartest ways to buy gold this Dhanteras, the pros, cons and how to avoid getting fooled by glitter. Every Dhanteras, it's the same story. Crowded jewelry shops, long queues and people rushing to buy even a 1-gram gold coin before the clock strikes midnight. But the truth is, gold buying has changed massively in the last decade. Gone are the days when your only option was physical gold. Now, you can own gold sitting on your couch digitally through your phones or even through the government itself. Let's unpack all 5 options one by one, and by the end you will know exactly which one fits your budget and your goals. The real challenge isn't just buying gold, it's buying it wisely. Think about it. You buy jewelry for rupees 50,000, but 10 to 20% of that goes into making charges. If you sell it later, you don't get that back. That's why understanding different gold formats can actually save you thousands and help your investment shine brighter in the long run. The first and most traditional form, physical gold. Jewelry, coins, bars, you name it. If you are buying this Dhanteras, make sure your gold has the BIS-hallmark. It's a proof of purity. BIS stands for Bureau of Indian Standards, and this little mark ensures you are not getting cheated with low purity metal. Now, here's the catch. Making charges can range from 5% to 20%. The simpler the design, the lower the charges. So, if your goal is investment, not fashion, gold coins or plain bangles are the smart choice. And also don't forget to ask for a proper bill and a purity certificate. It's not just tradition, it's a transaction. Second, digital gold. If standing in queues isn't your thing, this one's for you. You can buy gold online through apps like Paytm, Google Pay and platforms like Save Gold and MMTC PAMP, even with rupees 100. Every gram you buy is stored safely in a vault by the company. You can sell it anytime or even get it delivered to your doorsteps later. The upside, convenience. The downside, you don't earn interest and storage is handled by a private firm, not a bank. So always pick an RBI approved platform. Third, gold exchange traded funds or ETFs. These are like mutual funds, but for gold. They let you invest in gold through the stock market. No walls, no lockers. You just need a demat account. You can buy or sell ETFs on the exchange during market hours. Exactly like shares. The best part, they move with gold prices and management charges are super low, usually 1%. So, if you are an investor who likes liquidity, gold ETFs are your Diwali jackpot. Next up, gold mutual funds. If you don't have a demat account, this is your back door into the gold market. These funds invest in gold ETFs for you. You can start with SIPs as low as rupees 500 a month and slowly build your gold holdings. Perfect for first-time investors who want a taste of gold without buying it physically. Plus, they are managed by experts, so you don't need to track market prices every day. Finally, sovereign gold bonds or SGBs. These are gold-backed bonds issued by the Reserve Bank of India, which is RBI. Think of them as the safest way to own gold without actually owning gold. They come with an 8-year maturity and you can exit after 5 years. Here's the cherry on top. You can earn 2.5% annual interest on top of gold price appreciation. That means your gold literally pays you back. The only catch, right now, new SGBs aren't open for subscription, but you can still buy them on the secondary market if someone else is selling. So, this Dhanteras, the question isn't just how much gold to buy, but which gold to buy. If you want tradition, go for physical. If you want convenience, go for digital. But if you want returns, go to SGB. And here's the small twist most people miss. If you would bought rupees 1 lakh worth of gold in 2010, it would be worth rupees 3 lakh today. But if you had bought sovereign gold bonds instead, you would also have earned over rupees 25,000 in interest. That's the power of knowing your options. In the end, buying gold on Dhanteras isn't just about wealth, it's about faith, hope, and fresh beginnings. Whether you bring home coins, apps, or bonds, the meaning stays the same, welcoming prosperity into your life. Just remember, the purity of your gold matters as much as the purity of your intentions. Which type of gold are you buying this Dhanteras? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow The Edge.